Hi everyone, I'm Gremling, and you clicked on this video because apparently you want to learn how to dye your hair green like mine. So yeah, keep watching and you shall learn. In 3, 2, 1. What's up? I'm dyeing my hair today. It needs to be dyed. I look like a patch of moss right now. But yeah. A lot of people want to know what I use for my hair. I do my own hair, and that's why it's so fucked up. But I'm gonna show you how to fuck it up like mine. I use Sparks, this Sparks hair dye in key lime, and I use some of the Sparks Sunburst Yellow to make it more limey. And you get this in the process. I'm only one person and I only have 2 hands, so filming this is really hard, but and then you get the yellow. Open this bitch up and squeeze some of that bitch in. Then you go and get your conditioner. Squeeze some of that bitch in. You mix it all up. Yeah. But yeah, and after that, you just put it on your head. I am lazy, and I'm not gonna bleach my roots. So, I'll put this on my hair. I don't do it in any way. A lot of people section their hair, but like, girl, it doesn't fucking matter. I'm not getting paid for this, so literally fucking like all the girls on YouTube are like sectioning their hair off in 4s, and I'm just like, it's just so much easier. Like it takes so much time and materials to section off your hair, and I don't fuck with it. This is just way more comfortable for me, and yeah. And if I miss some spots, then I fucking miss some spots. Who fucking cares? I'm not Kim Kardashian. I got nowhere to be. And honestly, sometimes I just get too tired with using the brush, so I just...
Few inches later.
Should look like this. And yeah, once it is all on your head, the green is all over the fucking place, then leave it in your hair for like an hour. I leave it in my hair for like an hour just to make sure it's in my hair. And then you go to the shower and wash it off, and you have green hair. Hi, Lil. Lil, say hi to YouTube. Why do I do this to myself? Perfect cookie.
1 hour later.
I am out of the shower. You see that green peeking out? You ain't seen nothing yet. This in my hair every single time I get out of the shower. It's my favorite thing in the whole entire world. It's leave-in conditioner. I got it for $6.49. And this is how it's looking like wet and out of the shower with my thingy on, and I towel dry my hair and I let it air dry. I don't fuck with blow dryers. They're the devil. I'll be back when it's dry.
3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure, eventually.
So my hair is finally dry now, and this is how it turned out. It's very slimy and green and very bright, and I love it. And yeah, that's what my hair looks like, or how it turned out. Thanks for watching, if you watched. And I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna be making a video, so I can't say I will see you next time, because I don't know when that will be. But go and dye your hair fucking green too. I hope you guys have a good day or a good night whenever the fuck you're watching this video. I'm Gremling. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. Bye.